Hello friends, welcome to BScAgriculture. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's move to the video. In this video, we are going to see about Entomology's crop-based pest classification, and I am going to cover the topic, the pest of pomegranate. So the scientific name is Punica granatum, and also comes under the family Punicaceae. So let's see about the insects. So it is the picture of the pomegranate cultivation as well as the fruit as well as the flower of pomegranate is shown in this first picture. And so the major insects which used to affect the pomegranates I have given their common name, which are fruit borer, fruit fly, aphid as well as bagworms, and also I have given their scientific names and their family and order respectively. So let's see, move to the video and see about their symptoms as well as their significance. So first I am going to tell about the fruit borer of pomegranate. So where the scientific name is Jurox Insecticides, and which used to comes under the family Lycanidae and order Lepidoptera. So the common name used for the fruit borers of pomegranate are anar butterfly, pomegranate butterfly as well as common guava blue. So these are the common names which was given to fruit borer of pomegranate, where the scientific name is Judorix Insecticides is the scientific name, and also it used to have variety of host ranges in citrus family as well as in pomegranate, tamarind, guava, sapota, amla as well as sapinidus species. So it used to have variety of host range. And so while seeing about their characteristic nature, the egg which used to be shiny oval white shaped in color, and they used to have a egg period of around 7 to 10 days. And while seeing about the larva, it used to have a period of around 18 to 47 days, and pupation takes which used to takes inside the fruit but occasionally outside, based on the conditions where it is able to grow, and the pupal period is around 7 to 34 days based on the climatic changes. And adult, which is said to be a glossy bluish violet color male and a brownish violet female, which is said to be in orange patch on forewings. So it is the picture of the fruit borer of pomegranate picture. And so the major symptom caused by the fruit borers are where the young larvae which used to be bore into the young fruits and eats the pulp and seeds of the pomegranate fruit, and the infested fruit which used to have boreholes plugged with the anal end of the larva in the whole opening region. And so the best management is bagging with the plastic cover is the best management to control the fruit borer, and some other managements are collection and destruction of damaged fruits as well as use of light traps at the ratio of 1 per hectare to monitor the activity of adults present in the field level, and also release of Trichogramma chylonis at 2.5 lakhs per hectare is said to be efficient against these fruit borers, and covering the fruit with polythene bag is said to be an easy way to control these insects. And if the insect incidence is said to be high and uncontrollable, we can able to go for chemical sprayings like Malathion 50 EC at 2 ml per liter with the 2 rounds of spraying, one which must need to be flowered at flowering stage and another at fruit setting stage is the effective method to control the fruit borers. And so the damage symptoms of the fruit borer of pomegranate, I have given the pictures as well as the larva which used to eat on pulp and seeds in the pomegranate, and some other pictures of the symptoms caused by the fruit borers. And so the next type of fruit borer is Dicochris punctiferalis, and it used to comes under the family Crambidae and Lepidoptera. So it also used to have a wide range of host range, where the scientific hosts of these type secondary type of fruit borer are castor, cardamom, jack as well as guava. And so while seeing about the binomic characteristics, egg which is said to be laid in groups and also in inflorescence, and where they also place the eggs on the tender parts of the plant as well as in fruits, and the larva which is said to be a fully grown pale reddish brown larva with numerous tubercles on the body, and the pupation which used to takes place inside the fruit with the silkened cocoon, where they used to have a pupal period of around 4 to 11 days, and the adult which is said to be an yellowish colored moth which used to have numerous number of black spots present on the wings. And so the next one is aphids. So where the scientific name of aphids is Apis Pucniaceae, and which used to comes under the family Epidae and order Hemiptera. And while seeing about the damage symptoms which used to cause a pale green winged wingless adult insect which used to suck silk saps from the tender twigs, leaves as well as buds. And the next one is they used to cause a yellowing of leaves due to the absence of nutrient deficiency, as well as which used these aphids used to suck the chlorophyll and eat the chlorophyll material, so which used to result in yellowing of the leaves, and which you in several cases further leads to the wilting of terminal shoots, as well as blind appearance of flower buds is said to be found in several cases. And so the management of the aphids or collection and destruction of damaged pots, as well as use of yellow sticky traps, and in some cases we can able to go for spraying of chemical insecticides like dimethoate or methyl dermaton at the recommended dosage for effective management of this pest. Also, if the pest is in control level, we can able to release a first instar larva of Chrysoperla cornea at 15 per flowering branch 4 times at a 10 days interval from flower initiation during April is the effective method for controlling these aphids. And so the next one is bagworm. So the bagworm scientific name is Clania crameri, and which used to comes under the family Psychidae. And while seeing about these bagworm, they used to have leaves with boreholes, and they also used to cause defoliation in the leaves, and the larva which used to remain inside the bag made of parallel twigs, so we can able to easily identify in the crop. And so some other sucking insects which was present in pomegranates or papaya mealybug and striped mealybug, whiteflies as well as thrips, and I have also given their scientific name. And so some other leaf feeders or catus slug caterpillar as well as cast semiloper hairy caterpillars. And these are the pictures of some common insects which we can able to be asked in exams. So the first one is cast slug caterpillar, where the scientific name is Parasalepidae, and which used to comes under the family Cochilidae and order Lepidoptera. So while seeing about these cast slug caterpillars, so they used to have a resemblance of slug, and the pupation used to be occurred as a cocoon which used to covered with irritable spines and hairs, and the adult which is said to be a beautiful greenish colored moth with yellow stripes on the forewings as well as hind wings. And the next one is Castor semiloper, where the scientific name is Achia genata eribidae Lepidoptera. So it is one of the semiloper where the larva used to have a brownish appearance with the black spots present in their head body with the anal horn, and they also used to form same adult as in we have already seen in Castor. And so the next one is hairy caterpillar, where the scientific name is Somina stingulans and order Lymantridae and order Lepidoptera, so which used to have a hairy surface in the skin, and they are used to be in blackish orange color, as well as which is like to be slightly yellow in color, and they used to have a resemblance of yellow moth in the adult one, but their forewings are said to be lightish brown in color. And the next type of hairy caterpillar is Euphocrates fraternae, where it used to comes under the family Lymantridae and order Lepidoptera. So the major damage symptom of these hairy caterpillar, they are mostly said to be a gregarious feeder of leaves, and which used to cause defoliation, so which results in lower fruit set as well as low yield in the field level. So I have only tell about the important insect which was repeatedly asked in the exam point of view in this lecture. So and I have also placed the lecture notes in description, so please comment about the video and join us in the Instagram page which is also in the description link. So if you like the video, like it and share it with your friends, and subscribe to BScAgriculture and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. So thanks for watching the video. I'll catch up in next videos.